How to add roles on Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Now, in order to add roles on your specific server on your Discord account, first of all, launch your Discord application from your device. Once done, get logged into your Discord account and select the specific server where you would like to add the roles. You will see the name here expanded. Then you will see server settings at the second menu. Open it, click onto roles. Likewise, you will see create role at the blue button. Click it. Likewise, under role name, let's go ahead and give it any name. I'm gonna start with moderator. Once it is so, you can also choose a color for this role. I'm gonna go ahead and select the yellow color. Once done, click onto permissions and you can allow all the permissions that you see here for this moderator role. And likewise, under manage member, if you have any member onto this server, you can go ahead and type in their name and assign the roles. Once you're satisfied, click on save changes. And likewise, you can also add other roles as well. To do that, the process is same. Click on roles, click on create roles. On your left hand side, you will see all the roles that you have added. For instance, I've just added moderator. To add a new role, go ahead and type in anything that you would like here, choose the color, and the process is same. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching.